pork and beans. Bakit natutulog ka na dyan?
Hi! Welcome back mga Shumbalabets. Nandito na naman kami ngayon for another video sa aming People Feet vlog. And for tonight, gagawa kami ng very short vlog lang kasi narinig ko na one IKEA branch will open in the Philippines. So just to give you a short preview of what you can find inside IKEA. So ngayon mag-food trip kami kasi IKEA's a small restaurant type inside. So pupunta kami doon and we'll eat there and we'll tell you kung ano yung mga pagkain. Hopefully yung mga pagkain na papakita namin lalabas rin to dun sa branch sa Philippines. So before I start, gusto ko lang i-shout out si PJ Lin Vlogs and si JC Squad. These are two vloggers. Follow their vlogs, you can watch it also and subscribe din kayo sa kanila. And if you like our video, make sure to like it. I mean, kung nagustuhan niyo yung video, make sure to like it and subscribe to our channel. You can also comment and let us know what you want us to do next time for our next vlog. Okay? So, I'll go then. Let's go.
Mga gutom. Mali yung paglagay.
Wala po eh.
Oh my God, today.
Veggie wrap.
Wow, sarap. With the rice, so mash?
Mash and white.
Yummy. Mash. A white. And you?
I'll get the same thing. Mash and salad.
Mashed potato. Yay! Kuha tayo niyan. Yes, please.
Prawns, hindi na.
Ikaw, go. Yes, nakasalmon si brother. Laki mo na naman dito.
Hello. We ordered already. Ayan.
We have our guest. Hello, Shumbalabets.
So we're going to eat after ordering. Medyo tumagal kasi nagkamali sa pag-punch yung ate. Right? Puti ko dito. Ba't sobrang puti ko dito?
Siyempre yung lighting nila.
Thanks to IKEA.
Okay, so na-try ko yung salmon with mashed potato. Let's see if it's tasty. Ayan, tapos na sila magdasal.
Alam mo, may mali tayong ginawa. Dapat pag ano pala, veggie yan, pero hindi mash.
Apat sa,
What to do? Na-order na.
we're waiting for mashed potato.
So we'll eat. Yes, lahat kami naka-mashed potato. We'll eat na. See you later.
Alam mo, Shumbalabets. Ito yung tinatawag ng mga teenager na joke. Salt.
Joke. Joke.
Where's the joke? Ito daw yung sa mga Arab sa mga beber. Where's the beber?
Dahil namin in-order. See, may overlooking pa kami sa labas. Ganda yung seats namin.
Siyempre, it's my try. Marami na sa fine dining restaurant. Tayo na.
Gugutom na ako. Babalik na ako. Later. Bye. Hello. Ngayon kukuha tayo coffee tapos na kami kumain. So we'll get free coffee. Alam dito.
Wash mo muna ng hot water, baby.
How do I wash it? Like
Press.
hot water?
Press, yeah. Stop.
Oh.
Magwawash ka lang naman. Yeah.
Okay, just throw it out. Okay, perfect. Now what do I want? Ang trip ni mga Shumbalabets.
Ano? Espresso.
No. Do they have milk?
You need to press milk later. Just wait, you need to be patient.
Where's sugar?
That's separate, I guess. Tick, 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 tick.
I don't think I need milk on this one. Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Tara na, boy! Magandang buhay! Yes? Yes?
Pwede ako yung set up ito. May gusto.
What's that? Oh, cool.
I like this. I like this setup. Okay, please come in. Let's some coffee, tea.
What's up mga Shumbalabets? May bisita pa naman kayo. Ganda na ba niyo? Good. Kwarto is nice.
Hi! Welcome to my bathroom!
Yeah.
Saan ang mga hugasin?
Kakain na ako sa mga kuko.
Ay, salad.
Malalantag yun.
Oh, it's a fridge! Look!
Oh, nice. Walang laman.
Oh, Tupperware.
Tupperware?
No, this is fridge. This is a freezer.
Cool. This freezer also? Oh no,
It's a
this
cabinet.
cabinet na.
Maganda ito kay Mama.
May generation of nag-bacon.
Di ba pandilig yan? Ganda ng view mo ah. Saan ka?
Welcome to Marina.
Ano yun, babe? Isa ka pa rin yan. Watering can.
Anong cut po? Anong cut ng hair nyo?
Salud po! Buhusit ka.
It's nice.
Eh, ito yung shampooan mo eh.
Ayun. Dishwasher. Look inside. Oh, nice.
It's so cool. Pwede po bang umorder ng shawarma? Mas milk tea? Milk tea?
Menu roasted turkey. Yeah. Water please. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bakit natutulog ka na dyan? Ang ganda nitong TV, oh. Parang ano siya, hindi siya part. Pero, andun siya.
Tara na, uy!
Tara na. Ang cute talaga nung part siya ng ano, cabinet.
Maliit lang yung space. Yung lalaki ang masusunod.
Uy, coffee machine. Oh, kitchen. Nice. Ano dito? What's inside? Oh, Princess Sarah bathtub. Oh, nice. Hi. Bulaga. May effect. May pailaw. Try natin yung effect. Ganda ka. Pa. Yes. Go!
So, hello mga Shumbalabets. Tapos na yung aming short video food trip and IKEA tour. So nabusog naman kami sa aming kinain. Especially yung salmon na in-order ko, sobrang panalo siya. The price is, it's good. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahal.
Worth
Worth it naman. Worth it naman yung food. And a very short tip lang, if ever you're buying anything, lalo na kung marami yung binili nyo, make sure to check yung receipts because what happened earlier, may na-punch si ate na hindi kasama doon sa in-order namin. So, if hindi kayo nag-check, definitely mababayaran nyo na hindi nyo nalalaman, which is dapat matitipid nyo pa since hindi nyo man yung part na in-order. Ayun lang. With regards to the IKEA tour, ayun, hindi na namin pinakita yung ibang part. Nakita nyo lang yung sa bedroom na part and the kitchen na part. But there are other places like the carpets, the candles, kitchenwares,
indoor plants, plasticware.
Every home decor inside.
Sa babang part na yan kasi yung pinakita is sa
top, sa second floor. Yes.
So
So hopefully, the one that will open the Philippines will have the same concept. Na by
Hopefully.
part siya ng room and there's a place where you can eat. And
After.
yung meatball niya na
Sarap.
very tasty and yun yung pinaka binibenta nila rito na bestseller. So
Yung
I will put all the description sa experiment.blogspot.com. You can check yung mga in-order namin and kung ano yung mga description and prices nila. Make sure to follow us on all our social media channels, Feet, at Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and Twitter. Ayun. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and i-click nyo yung thumb if you like our video. Okay?
Yep.
Till next time. May bago kami this week again. Okay. Bye-bye.
Galang bata.